I'm Randy Morford. My role is the Chief Engineer on the Coast Guard ship Sir Wilfrid Laurier. From an engineering perspective, when we're in refits, we're repairing machinery, we're adding new machinery, we're bettering all of the systems on board. The Laurier has operated on the West Coast since the mid-1990s, and as our vessels age, the workload usually increases.
This vessel life extension is the biggest that Vancouver Dry Dock has ever seen.
We're currently installing 3 new Wärtsilä L26 engines.
We had to cut out a side shell to remove the first engine. It jacks up and it slides out the other 2 engines.
And as well, we've installed one at the Coast Guard College. I take a lot of pride to be able to transfer knowledge, and that's going to be very beneficial to us in the fleet as engineers. They've already worked on these engines, they've worked on the electronic side, they've worked on the mechanical side, they've got good experience operating them already. So when they join us, they're already ready to go.
The whole ship will get a nice new paint job and it should look brand new again. It will run like new again, that's for sure, with the 3 engine replacements.
Since 2008, we've been coming to this particular shipyard. We've got to know and we've built relationships with all of the various trades and the managers, so they know the vessel very well.
It's a team effort for the Coast Guards and the Seaspan team here.
Working on site, there can be up to 160 people on this project, so obviously it's important that we're working hand in hand to make sure we can deliver this. I'm very proud to see it in its current state.
And off to sea she goes.